Ira from Intermex Institute of College, Valenzuela 2. Now I'm discuss derivative of a function. This is the formula. dy over dx equals limit delta x is equals to 0. Function of x plus delta x minus function of x over delta x. This is the given. X squared plus 3x plus 6. This is the solution. dy over dx equals limit delta x is equals to 0. X squared plus delta x, which is the function of x plus delta x. 3 quantity x plus delta x, the function of x, plus 6, and copy the given x squared plus 3x plus 6 over delta x. And dy over dx equals limit delta x is equals to 0. And multiply this. X plus delta x squared is equals to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. 3 times x is equals to 3x. 3 times delta x is equals to 3 delta x plus 6, and negative x squared equals to x squared. Negative plus 3x is equals to 3x. Negative plus 6 is equals to 6 over delta x. And dy over dx equals limit delta x is equals to 0. And we combine like terms. X squared cancel 3x, 6, x squared 3x and 6. And bring down the remaining quotient. 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 3 delta x over delta x. And we are factoring out delta x. Quantity 2x plus delta x plus 3 over delta x, and cancel delta x, and bring down the remaining quotient again, 2x plus delta x plus 3, and substitute delta x into 0 because delta x is equals to 0. 2x plus delta x quantity is 0. 2x plus quantity 0 plus 3 is equals to dy over dx limit dx plus dx delta x equals to 2x plus 3. Derivative quotient rule. dy over dx equals b times du over dx minus u times db over dx f over b squared. This is the given. 2x plus 6 over x minus 1. This is the solution. dy over dx equals x minus 1 times the derivative of 2x plus 6, which is 2, minus 2x plus 6, the derivative of x minus 1, which is 1, over x minus 1 squared. dy over dx equals 2x minus 2 minus 2x plus 6 over quantity x minus 1 squared. And combine like terms. Cancel out 2x, and add 2, negative 2 plus 6 equals to 4, and copy the denominator, x minus 1 squared, and this is the final answer. So,